Good evening students. The topic is marketing strategy. Part 3. Already we discussed what do you mean by marketing mix, marketing elements, each and everything. Now we are going to be discuss about the marketing strategy. Marketing strategy means it's a plan. Marketing strategy is a process that can allow organization to concentrate its limited resources on the greater opportunity to increase the sales and achieve a sustainable competitive advantage. Definitely already we know that the competitive is so much in the market. So for that reason we have the limited resources. In that resources we are going to be advertise our product and we have to be sell the product. So we are playing a different types of marketing strategies. Let us discuss how the marketing strategy comes into the existence. Understand customer, identify potential customer. Say identify the customer needs, what they require. Second one, analyze the market. Today the market is good. Tomorrow it may be or may not be. According to the long lasting period only we have to be analyze the market. Analyze the competition. Definitely competitors will come into the market. So we have to be analyze the market. If the product is good, definitely the competitor will not do any kind of thing. Define the marketing mix. Already you know marketing mix is 4 P's. Place, product, promotion. Okay. These 4 P's. Determine the market position. Market position means some areas the market position is very good. Some areas the market position is very bad. So according to the position of the market we have to be analyzed. Next one is budget. See, so many people used to say we have to give the so much of advertisement cost. Celebrities we have to be done. Then only we can be sell the product. These kind of strategies will be there. According to the budget we have to be see the how the selling of the product. Next one is implement, execute the plan. After analyzing these all things, then execute your plan. See, with the limited budget only so many members do the advertisement like email, paid advertisement, web designing, search engines, social media. These are all the different types of marketing strategies to sell the product. So here existing products, new products are there. We will see market penetration, product development, diversification, market development. Coming to the first point, product market penetration. Penetration means more purchase and usage from existing. Already the product is there, but the people are purchasing more. Gain customer from competitors. Definitely customer is purchasing the product, even the competitors are also there. Convert non-users into users. మన ప్రోడక్ట్ యూజ్ చేయలేంది మనం ఇప్పుడు యూజ్ చేపిస్తున్నాం. సో ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్న ప్రోడక్ట్ ని మనం మార్కెట్ లో సెల్ చేయగలుగుతున్నాం ఎంత కాంపిటీటర్స్ ఉన్నా. దాన్నే మార్కెట్ పెనిట్రేషన్ అంటాం. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ ప్రోడక్ట్ డెవలప్మెంట్. ప్రోడక్ట్ డెవలప్మెంట్ మీన్స్ ప్రోడక్ట్ మోడిఫికేషన్స్ via new features. Definitely we are selling the product through the new features. Definitely the example cell phones. Cell phones the people are much more interested with the new features. So different quality levels. See, say for example, cashew is there. Full piece cashew, one price will be there. Half piece and small pieces. According to the customer requirement only, sweet shops will purchase. If the halwa they are preparing, small cashew will be there. They used to purchase. So according to the customer requirement, they used to purchase the product. So this is called it as the new product. Market development strategy. New markets. If the product we are selling it in introducing new, definitely new market, new distribution channel, new geographic, new means already we are very selling the product in a well mannered. So in Andhra we are selling the product in Telangana, UP, like that we are geographical areas. So next one is diversification, organic growth. If the business is successful in one area, we used to organic growth will be there. Joint ventures, mergers means one company we are collaborating with another. Acquisitions, takeovers, we are purchasing one company. Losses company we are purchasing. These are the marketing strategies we are implementing. Thank you.